Hey space cadets, and welcome back to the Cosmic Commute. Today we're blasting off to the red planet itself, Mars. Buckle up because we're diving deep into Martian discoveries and unearthing some truly cosmic facts. Mars has captivated humanity for centuries, from ancient astronomers gazing at its fiery glow to modern rovers crawling its dusty plains. The red planet has whispered promises of alien life and a potential second home for humankind. Ancient cultures observed the planet, its changing position in the sky, and reddish hue. The Romans named it after Mars, their god of war, due to its blood-like color. Its place in our mythology hinted at our long-standing fascination. It wasn't until the invention of the telescope in the 1600s that we started to see surface details on Mars. Galileo Galilei was one of the first to observe Mars through a telescope, making an important leap forward in our understanding of our cosmic neighbor. As telescopes improved, astronomers began mapping Mars. In the 1800s, markings were observed that seemed to change with the Martian seasons, sparking theories about vegetation and water. Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli created detailed maps showing what he labeled canali, which means channels in Italian. However, this was mistranslated into English as canals. The misunderstanding sparked imaginations and prompted ideas of a Martian civilization with advanced engineering. This idea was further popularized by Percival Lowell, an American who mapped an intricate network of artificial canals and even theorized about a dying Martian civilization desperately fighting for water. While later disproven, these notions fueled public fascination with Mars and the potential for extraterrestrial life. The dawn of the space age allowed us to finally send spacecraft to Mars. The 1960s and 70s saw numerous flyby missions, with Mariner 4 providing the first close-up pictures of the red planet in 1965. These images shattered dreams of canals, but instead revealed a cratered and barren world. In the 1970s, the Viking missions made history by being the first successful landers on Mars. They searched for signs of life but provided inconclusive results. This, however, sparked a continued quest to find answers about Mars's past and potential for life that drives our missions to this day. Recent discoveries have been nothing short of phenomenal. The Curiosity rover, our intrepid Martian explorer, has been busy sniffing out ancient lakes and organic molecules, the building blocks of life. This suggests Mars may have once been a watery wonderland, and perhaps even supported microbial life forms. Curiosity has also found significant traces of methane in Mars's atmosphere. Methane on Earth is created largely by biological processes, making this a tantalizing clue. While there could be non-biological explanations, the possibility of methane-producing microbes on Mars remains exciting. Beyond finding ingredients for life, Curiosity discovered geological evidence of a dynamic Mars. Sedimentary rocks and layering suggest the presence of long-standing rivers and lakes billions of years ago, an environment drastically different from the arid Mars we see today. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, circling the planet since 2006, has provided incredibly detailed images. It has spotted what appear to be seasonal flows of briny water on Martian slopes, a potential sign of occasional liquid water even in present-day conditions. Scientists have uncovered evidence of a large underground lake of liquid water locked beneath Mars's southern polar ice cap. This hidden reservoir suggests that water, essential for life, may be more abundant on Mars than previously suspected. While finding traces of past habitable environments is thrilling, scientists are eagerly waiting for a smoking gun, definitive proof of past life. The ExoMars rover Rosalind Franklin is scheduled for launch in the late 2020s and will drill deep beneath the Martian surface, searching for preserved biosignatures. Recent analysis of Martian meteorites found on Earth hints at ancient Mars being far more Earth-like. These meteorites provide clues about the planet's warm and wet past, making evidence for ancient life on Mars even more compelling. But hold on to your spacesuits, there's more. The Perseverance rover is currently on the hunt for fossilized life in the Jezero crater, a former Martian lakebed. Imagine if they find evidence of past microbes, it would completely rewrite our understanding of the universe's potential for life. Jezero crater isn't just any old crater. This location was carefully selected due to clear evidence of an ancient river delta. We know from Earth that deltas are prime spots for preserving fossils due to the way sediments are deposited. Perseverance isn't just looking for any old microbes, it's searching for biosignatures. These could be chemical traces, patterns in rocks, or even potential microfossils left behind, providing evidence of ancient Martian life. One of the most exciting aspects of Perseverance is its sample collection system. It's designed to drill rock samples and store them in special tubes for later return to Earth. This means scientists will be able to study Martian material in state-of-the-art labs with instruments too complex to send into space. Perseverance also carries the Ingenuity helicopter, a first-of-its-kind technology demonstration. Ingenuity has successfully flown in the thin Martian atmosphere, scouting out potential areas of interest and paving the way for future aerial exploration of Mars. Imagine the possibilities with future rovers equipped with better drills or even a Martian mole capable of burrowing deep underground. If life ever existed on Mars, it might have retreated below the surface to escape the planet's harsh radiation. The success of Perseverance's sample collection and return mission has the potential to completely transform Mars exploration. If it yields evidence of past life, it will spark unprecedented efforts to further explore and potentially send human missions to the Red Planet, driven by the profound question, are we alone in the universe? Mars isn't just about the hunt for little green men. The planet holds clues to our own planet's history. By studying ancient Martian rock formations, we can learn more about Earth's own volatile past and how our planet might change in the future. Mars is like a time capsule. While Earth has active geology that constantly recycles and reshapes its surface, Mars is geologically quieter. This means that ancient features and formations are better preserved on the Red Planet, providing a window into a time when both planets may have been far more similar. Scientists study Martian impact craters to understand how these collisions have shaped both Earth and Mars. By learning about the timing and size of impacts, we can gain a better grasp on cataclysmic events that have altered life on our own planet. Evidence of ancient riverbeds and lakes on Mars suggests that water was once much more abundant on its surface. Comparing ancient water formations between Mars and Earth can help us understand how climate can drastically change over vast timescales, informing models for how Earth's climate may react in the future. Mars is currently a cold and arid desert. Studying how and why the planet lost most of its atmosphere and water is crucial for understanding planetary evolution. It could offer clues to how we can protect our own planet's delicate balance and avoid a similar outcome. The study of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments on Earth, informs our search for potential life on Mars. Understanding how life can adapt to harsh conditions on Earth can broaden our perspective on where life might take hold beyond our planet, even in seemingly inhospitable places like present-day Mars. While Earth and Mars may look wildly different today, the more we learn about Mars, the more we discover threads connecting our shared histories. Understanding both planets deepens our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. Beyond the scientific discoveries, Mars beckons with the promise of human exploration. Imagine gazing out at the dusty Martian plains, the first human footprints marking a new chapter in our cosmic journey. Who knows, maybe you, our awesome viewers, will be part of that future generation. Sending humans to Mars poses incredible challenges far beyond the missions we've flown to the moon. Radiation exposure, the long journey time, and the need for self-sufficiency in a harsh environment are just a few of the obstacles we need to overcome. Technological advancements will be crucial for making dreams of Martian cities a reality. Powerful rockets to escape Earth's gravity, advanced life support systems, and the ability to produce resources like water, fuel, and oxygen on Mars itself are essential. Research on the International Space Station is helping us understand the effects of long-term spaceflight on the human body and mind. This vital knowledge will inform strategies to protect the health and well-being of future Martian astronauts. A human mission to Mars will likely be a collaborative global effort, pooling technological expertise and resources from space agencies around the world. It could represent a new era of cooperation, driven by our shared thirst for discovery and expansion beyond our terrestrial cradle. Establishing a presence on Mars could pave the way for entirely new technologies and innovations developed to address the challenges of living on another world. These inventions often find applications back on Earth, improving life for everyone. A journey to Mars would be a leap into the unknown, pushing the boundaries of human endurance and ingenuity. The challenges and triumphs of this daring mission have the potential to inspire generations to come, reminding us that even the seemingly impossible can be achieved when we reach for the stars. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Martian conversation. Let us know in the comments below what excites you most about the Red Planet. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop on all things cosmic. Until next time, keep searching the skies, space cadets.